This is called a wall slide. Typically, I like to put one foot in front to kind of help me lean into the wall. You're gonna use just this part of your hand on the wall, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna relax my shoulders. I'm gonna come up to the wall, and I'm letting the wall do the work. I'm not trying to push the wall over. I'm just letting the wall slide up. I'm gonna be right here. I'm gonna slide up and lean forward. Nice and easy. And I'll show you guys on somebody like what their shoulder blades are doing. We're teaching that shoulder blade to go up and around, what it's supposed to be doing. Because if you're not getting that 55, 60 degrees of motion in your shoulder blade, you're cranking the heck out of your shoulder to make up for it. So let's have you guys hop on the wall here, maybe buddy up.
Are you pushing into the wall?
Yeah, so I'm pushing into the wall. I'm sliding up and then I'm allowing my chest to lean forward.
Watch that wood here, guys.
Lean into it. Yeah. Dude, that shoulder blade's about 50 right now. Yeah. That's exactly what we need it to be. Keep doing that. Sean's a veteran. That looks good. Renee looks good. Tim, let's see what you got here. There you go. So I want the chest not so much here. I want it to like kind of go into the wall like that.
Okay.
So it's kind of like we're bringing our chest into the wall so we can get that last little bit of motion. Got me, nice job.